Today, we're going to be learning how to cook Ewa Agoyin. Ewa Agoyin also has a sauce. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko, and if today is your first day, I am super happy to have you on board. Yes, what? 500 of you added to the channel. This is amazing. 2 weeks ago, I was saying thank you to 500 of you, but what? 500 more. Oh my goodness, 1,000. I was shocked. Oh my days. 1,000 followers. Thank you so much. I am so excited. Honestly, I am so grateful. Oh my goodness, welcome to the family. Oh my god, please, I know that you've subscribed. Please comment on the videos. Please like them. The more you like them, the more YouTube gets to recommend the video to other people, because it shows that it's a good content. So please, when you watch the video, please like, please share, yeah, please. Thank you so much. Because it might be sensitive to your hands. I mean, I've always done it all the time, so I probably I'm used to it now. So now we slice our onions into it, and then we will add some water so that it can blend easily. Now we're gonna start and pause, just like we did for while we're peeling the back of our akara beans. Yeah, so we just keep doing that, pause and start until we've got the desired rough texture that we want. Now we're gonna check our beans to be sure that it's soft. It's still not soft enough, so we're still gonna add more water. You have to add quite a lot of water now to the Ewa Agoyin, but don't let it be too much, because the beauty of Ewa Agoyin is when it is thick. So now I am mashing the beans. Now it's time for the Ewa Agoyin sauce. So that's our oil in an empty pot. Okay, then we just let it get hot a bit, then slice our onions into it and leave it to fry for a while. Once you start getting those bubbles, it's time to pour our pepper in. So we pour it in, okay, and make sure that you have more than enough oil, because that's the beauty of Ewa Agoyin sauce. It has to have a lot of palm oil. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to rinse the remaining pepper from the blender into the pot. So just let it keep bubbling. I'm loving this bubbling, okay, from the pot. Okay, now I'm going to add my seasoning, okay, and then I'm going to add my salt to taste, after which we're gonna let it fry, and it's ready. Just take a look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy and tastes so yummy. All right guys, and that is it for our Ewa Agoyin and Ewa Agoyin sauce. And as you know, we're going to be saying our order but together on the count of 8.